Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MinuteMath number 91.
MinuteMath number 91. This is actually a really neat problem from the Mathematical Association of America's MinuteMath blog. It's just the problem's a little long. So let me read it and then we'll talk about it. Okay?
We're going to have to erase it.
Probably. 5 friends compete in a dart throwing contest. Each has 2 darts to throw at the same circular target, and each individual's score is the sum of the scores in the regions that are hit. The scores for the target regions are the whole numbers 1 through 10. Okay? Follow so far? There's a target, it has 10 regions, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 points, depending on which regions you hit. And each region is hit by exactly 1 dart. Okay? There's 10 numbers. There's 5 friends, each throws 2 darts. So there's 10 numbers and
each region gets hit once.
How many darts are there?
There's 10 darts.
10 darts, 10 regions. The scores are Alice gets 16 points. Ben has 4 points. Cindy has 7. Dave has 11. And Ellen has 17. And the question is, who hit the region worth 6 points? Okay? Do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to erase a little bit to give you room to write, and we'll keep track. You probably won't remember the names, but we can say A, B, C, and D. Okay, how do you want to approach this problem?
We can draw a picture of the target.
Okay, I think normally that would be a great idea, since we're running a little low on time for the video because the problem was long. Let's not draw the picture. The picture would be a circular dartboard with 10 regions. But we know there are 10 darts and the points are 1 through 10. And here's what they add up to. Okay? Yep. Alright, so where can we go from here?
Well, we can see what possibilities they could have scored. Like what's B could... For 4, it could have been. It's going to be 1 and 3.
Great. Ben can only hit the numbers 1 and 3 because each dart hit a different region, and his score added up to 4. So the only way to add up to 4 is 1 and 3 or 2 and 2. But since each dart hit a different region, we know what Ben got. Okay.
What about Alice? Well, there's lots of different ways to make 16.
What are they?
Well, there's 8. There's 8 plus 8.
Okay, can Alice? No. Okay.
There's 7 and 9.
There's 7 and 9.
6 and 10. And that's all because you can't go above
Okay,
10.
so in the beginning you said there's lots of ways to get 16. Actually, there's only 2 ways to get 16. Okay?
For 7, you can do 2 and 5 or 3 and 4.
Two and 5 and 3 and 4. Can we eliminate one of those?
Yeah, 3 and 4 doesn't work.
Because why?
Because Ben already got a 3.
Okay, so actually we now know 2 and 5 are gone. Okay, so we know we know B did not hit 6, we know C did not hit 6. So 1, 3, 2, and 5 have been used. Okay?
Let's see. Now for D. Let's see, how can you make 11?
Okay.
You can do 1 and 10.
1 and 10?
That doesn't work.
Doesn't work because we already used 1.
1 and 10, 2 and 9.
Does 2 and 9 work?
Nope.
We already used 2.
3 and 8. Nope.
Nope.
4 and 7.
4 and 7 might work.
And there's 5 and 6, except we don't know which one.
Okay. Could it be 5 and 6?
Well, if A is this one, then it could be.
Okay. So 5 and 6. Can we eliminate 5 and 6 anyway?
Not yet.
Are you sure?
Actually, we can eliminate it.
Why?
Because we've already got a 6.
Nope. We don't know which one this is.
We already got a 5.
We already got a 5 here, so you have to be careful how you pay attention to what you have. You already have a 5. So that says D hit 5 and 6, or 4 and 7, I'm sorry. D hit 4 and 7.
No.
Because does that tell us anything else?
That, well, E might hit the 6.
Okay, well let's see.
Actually, no, E can't hit the 6.
What can E hit?
E can be 9 and 8.
E can be 9 and 8. Anything else?
7 and 10.
Okay, can it be 7 and 10?
No, we've already got a 7 and 10.
We've already got a 7, so E can only be 9 and 8. So we're down to A now. A can be 7 or 9 and 6 and 10. Which one is it?
But what if none of them hit these?
Well, it said they all hit. It said all the darts hit. B we know is 1 and 3. C we know is 2 and 5. D we know is 4 and 7. E we know is 9 and 8. A we're not sure. A could be one of 2. Aha! See, there's already a 7 we used here and a 9 here. So A has to be 6 and 10. So A hit 6. And just to double check, let's make sure we found all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
Okay? So you had this one you had to go through systematically, and you had to be really careful how you counted. Okay? You got it?
Yep.
All right. So there's a couple of different ways to do this, but I think this was long enough.
How many people got it right?
About half.
So we're not...
About half. This is a medium difficulty problem, but we looked at B. We found A could have 2 possibilities, but C could only have 1. D could only have 1. Actually, at D we could have stopped because we already used the 7 there. So that eliminated that. So once we figured out D, we were done. But we went back another way. Okay? Good job. Good job on that problem. That's a tricky little problem.